Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Gwan Tours. Here, Icmeler. Let's do a little night walk, have a look around there. So we've got the red line here, really good for karaoke. Really noisy, it's about 1 AM, really good. Let's walk down this road. So you've got the Verde Hotel. And you've got the Blue Brothers over there. Buy one cocktail, get one free. Take me.
Hello everyone, I'm from Turkey. I am 29 years old man. I am a Turkish man. Turkey economy is shit.
No paparazzi.
No paparazzi. We're gonna move in England.
Oh, it's worse. Thank you, brother.
Would you like to try my twister?
Well, I'd like to what, sorry?
Mr. Daiquiri.
Oh,
we got 1 million reviews on Facebook with
Really?
that.
Very
Yes.
famous.
Wow.
Very famous with that.
I do like them, yeah. We're gonna come back there, yeah? Thank you. Thank you, guys.
All right, my dad.
Thank you,
Have a
yeah?
nice evening.
Thank you. So yeah, Blue Brothers there. It's got a pool at the back as well. Really nice. Yeah. So you've got the Irish bar here.
Always got after Irish.
And always dancing bar. Always. If you like men dancing, Turkey is the place for you. They do make a big effort with their dancing. So it is like a big show. If you've seen our other videos from Marmaris, you'll see they love to dance. Big performances every time. I didn't bring my light tonight. So hopefully everything will be good for you guys. Hotel private. Yeah, what's this one? Jasmine Hotel. Very nice. All lovely cakes in Jasmine Hotel. Sorry. So you got the steakhouse here. And the canal bar. Oh, okay, so we're in the canal, that's why. Everyone else having a good time in there?
Oh, yeah.
Everyone go past. Everyone have a good time. Yeah, so the canal bar here. And straight down there, take you down to the beach. What you got down there? You got the Chinese. So yeah, I'm not going down that way. We're heading back around to the main road. So what was this? Bamboo. Right, bamboo bar. Fashion and fun pub. Look, fun poo. There's fun poo though. No. It's fun pub, Sabrina. Not fun poo.
Clearly, crosswords are my strong suit.
Huh?
Oh,
Yeah? Good. Big party, okay. At Bamboo. Big party there. Oh yeah, tattoo parlour there, yeah. We're not here for tattoos. Tattoo. Let's do the old. Everyone get in this shot and let's get this shot. Oh, okay. So you've got a beautiful down the canal, yeah. So across the road you've got Florida Bar. Everyone's quite busy. The British public, the British tabloids are so full of it. They're all saying that Turkey's dead. It's like a ghost town. Nobody's coming here because of the prices. But they're full of it. Turkey is as busy, more busy than I've ever seen it. But I've only been here once and I came out of season. First day. That's the Broadway Cafe and Bar.
Hello.
So yeah. Must be hot inside there. It's got to be about 28 degrees at the moment at night time. So over there you got the Diva Hotel. What's this one? Gossip bags. Yeah, we do need to pick up a bag soon. And this one is Impact on Reflection. (2-1) Real Madrid at the moment. So yeah, let's keep going up to Daisy's. So guys, if you can all like, share, comment, share it on Facebook if you can, it'd be even better. Let's quickly show you down there actually, because that's the red line where we just came from. And then you've got there, what's it called? That one there? Ceviche? I don't know what that says. Yeah. Well, anyway, let's keep going down. So I just want to give a quick shout out to Steve, who we met the other night at the Scotia bar. I'm going to be seeing him later on for a couple of beers. But yeah, big shout out to you, bro. That's Steve from Dundee. And the family as well. So we've got Daisy's cocktail and dance bar. That's they're all dance bars. And you've got Cheers. A little bit gassy at the moment. Got a bit to drink. So you've got the British pub down the road there. I don't think we're going to go down that way though. Actually, what I'll do is I'll end at the British pub actually. So look here. Everybody's in there. We're loving it. Yeah, we're going to talk a bit of this one. I don't know what to do. Everyone having fun, everyone though. Let me take you to Daisy quickly. Show you what's going on in Daisy's. Because I'm going to get copyright if I keep staying there. But yeah, we've got Daisy's. Dance bar, very nice again. Everyone having fun. Hello, how are you? No, just recording. Thank you, though. We've got Daisy's there. I don't think it's all just restaurants and stuff around the square. So let's keep going up actually. We're not going to go to Oh, okay, the boys have got the balancing the stuff on his head. They love it. It's a bit like circus acts with pumping music. Have you seen our salt and pepper video? You'll see, I forget the young lad's name, but he balanced loads of drinks on his head.
There's a fountain show that we need to go and see as well.
That's in Marmaris, yeah.
I'm going to try and capture that.
Yeah. So let's just get to this one here. And we'll say our goodbyes until the next video. Yeah, steakhouse down there. Champagne Steakhouse. So you've got the old YMC music playing in there. More dancing as well in the British bar. So yeah, we've got good music as always in the British pub. Pardon? Look down there, I'm recording, working. Will I come back?
Okay.
Thank you. But yeah, the boys. That's it. Whoa. Right. Almost got me. Yeah. Okay, but I'm just going to finish my vlog up here, Sabrina. Thank you. If Sabrina wants to get me a top in here. But yeah. Right, so I'll tell you what, I'll stop out here. Everything is £5 in this shop. Can you believe it? £5. So again, like, comment, share, send to all your family, and we'll catch you in the next one.